So lame.
We are so retarded.
We just did a whole entire video. You guys didn't even see it.
Because we forgot to press record. Sorry. Okay, you want to hear a song that our boyfriends made for us? You can't really hear my boyfriend that much, but he's kind of in the background. What's it called? Sorry.
Last night, but it doesn't matter, 'cause me and you were starting to and I loved it. It was the most enjoyable thing in the world.
That's enough of that.
Ew.
What the hell was that?
Oh my god, I'm choking. Oh, I need my Red Bull. Hurry up.
Here.
Look at your wings. It saved your life.
It does. Okay, well, this is goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.